You can be charged. Indicom issues warning amid reports some police officers have destroyed citizen CCTV cameras. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lugg. Also this evening, St. Elizabeth Town to be given city status soon. And later, a dozen people rushed to hospital following two-vehicle crash in St. Anne. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.